Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zelle for secure transfers and scam avoidance. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Once the download is complete, open the app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Next, enter your email address or mobile number associated with your bank account. Choose a strong password for your account for added security. Once you enter your information, follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter the code in the designated field to confirm your identity. After verification, you will need to link your bank account to your Zelle profile. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide your banking details. Once your bank account is linked, you will be able to access Zelle's features. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. Review the security features offered by Zelle. Consider setting up notifications for transactions to monitor your activity. To avoid scams, always verify the recipient's identity before sending money. Use Zelle only with trusted contacts to minimize your risk. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it immediately through the app. Feel confident as you start using Zelle for secure transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.